Let's have a look at the mesmerizing Konark Festival of Odisha. Held in the backdrop of Mammoth Sun Temple, the festival recently witnessed its 32nd edition. Along with it, the Konark city also hosted the 12th edition of the International Sand Art Festival, enabling visitors to witness both the brilliant showcase of art at the same time.
Decked up with colourful lights and glittery artistic pieces, the way to the exquisite open-air auditorium situated in the backdrop of Konark Sun Temple was casting a magical spell on visitors. Popularly known as Natya Mandir, the auditorium is famous for playing host to the famous Konark Dance Festival every year. Jointly organized by Odisha Tourism and Odissi Research Centre since 1989, the 5-day cultural extravaganza aimed to boost tourism in Konark along with preserving and increasing the reach of Indian folk dance forms. This time, amid the pandemic, authorities organized the festival with COVID-19 protocols in place.
In spite of the COVID pandemic, state government has organized this classical dance festival this year with all the COVID protocols, and there is very good performances, and large number of guests have come from outside also to witness this festival. This is going on for several decades, and state government is continuing this tradition.
The event saw some of the mesmerizing choreographies in classical dance forms of India, including Odissi, Kathak, Satriya and Bharatnatyam. A spellbinding performance was presented by renowned choreographer Anita Sharma and her troupe from Assam. They performed Satriya, which is also pronounced as Hotriya and is highly devotional in character with a predominant spiritual aspect. The troupe amazed the spectators with its 8 dance recitals that were dedicated to Lord Krishna like Krishna Vandana, Leela Govindam and Bhatima.
I want to thank Odisha Tourism for inviting us to this beautiful, magnificent dance festival to perform our beautiful Hotriya tradition. And after the COVID-19, we perform first time in this big festival, and we artists always love to perform on stage in front of the audience, because we dance, we perform for audience only, and in land of Jagannath, we offer our dance today to Lord Jagannath, to Surya Devata.
Alongside Konark Festival, International Sand Art Festival also captured the major attention of the crowd at Chandrabhaga Beach. Around 100 artisans from across the country participated in the festival and created sculptures on relevant themes like ecotourism and environment. In these many years, both the Konark Festival as well as International Sand Art Festival have carved out a niche of their own in the country's annual carnival calendar by providing a wonderful opportunity to the budding artists to make their presence felt on the international performing arts arena.